Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 49th video on my Python series, and in this video I'm going to cover about Python tuple sorting. So how to sort a tuple variable. So let's start. In case of list we have inbuilt method called list.sort that will sort the original list itself. As lists are mutable in nature, that whenever you are sorting it will update the original list itself. But in case of tuple is immutable in nature. That means we can't change the value inside the tuple variable. So we don't have any specific inbuilt sort method inside the tuple data structure. We have to use the Python's inbuilt sorted method here. So sorted method will return a new tuple as an output. It will not update the original tuple variable. Let's see some example how to use the sorted method to sort the tuple variable. So I have suppose tuple and I have some random values inside it, and let's sort it. So I can use the inbuilt method sorted and I can pass the tuple variable as a parameter here, so it will be get sorted and it will return the output. Let's see what is the output inside it. You can see the output has been sorted and it is of list type. It is not of tuple type, it is of list type. So that is the difference you can see. So after getting this list type, you can convert it into tuple type by using the inbuilt method tuple. So you can convert it into tuple type by calling the tuple method, and it will be tuple variable. It will come as a tuple variable. So sorted method is returning a list type only. If you are passing a tuple as a parameter, it is only returning you the list type. It is not returning as tuple type variable. You have to typecast it into tuple type in next step. And this is the ascending order sorting. If you want to sort it in descending order, we have one more parameter that sorted method is taking, that is reverse. Here it is taking reverse equal to true. If you are putting, it will be sorted in descending order. That means from higher to lower position. So it has sorted in descending order. So one more parameter, it is taking key as a parameter. So whenever you are taking or want to implement your own sorting mechanism, then you can use the key as a parameter, and you have to pass the function name over here. The user defined function you have created for implementing your own sorting mechanism, that function name you have to pass it over here. I have already explained it in case of string sorting. So friends, this is all about how to sort a tuple variable. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding the sorted mechanism in case of tuple, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.